Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have a good show for you today. We have some Canadian classics we're going to make on Cooking with Colby. And we'll make some nice snow souffle. And later in my show, we'll have special guest Dick Farr on Cook It Quick with Dick. Okay, well obviously to make the snow souffle you need a good bucket of snow like I got here. Preferably orange bucket, I like orange. And you need a nice fire, like this great fire right here. See that? Ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna need my sunglasses. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, that's really hot. It's time to get almost cooking. Alright, time to get cooking. Now, let's take your first snowball. Make sure it's a good one, round it off a little bit. And just start dicing it. And take your nice snow right here and throw it loosely. Ooh.
I'm coming down.
Steam.
Aha!
Steam. Ooh. Hot and sizzling.
Special guest today.
Special guest, Tracy.
She'll be one of our official taste testers.
Take the show.
I'm not tasting.
Oh, trust me, we cook it good.
Make sure this fire is nice and steamy. Alright, Dick Farr, you want to come show us some tricks?
I'd be happy to.
Okay. Now we're going to let this pot, get nice and warm. We can let it boil a little bit. We'll come back to it.
Special guest here today, Cook It Quick with Dick.
Look at quick, Dick.
Got some basic supplies. Today we're gonna make a honey bun. They're delicious, not nutritious. Alright, to get to work, we got this white potato and this red potato. Supposedly there's a difference. I don't get it. Gonna wanna peel real quick with the right side. Make sure you keep the peels, you're not using the potato.
Don't eat it raw.
Got a good peel amount off. I'm gonna dump that in your cooking materials. Make sure you get it all. It's all the flavor right there. Next, you're going to take one of these red potatoes and get a strainer. Just kind of shove it through the strainer. Crush it.
I am back. Oh, I need my
Through the strainer.
sunglasses.
Finally, just for a little seasoning, I like 2 Pringle chips. These ones are Mexican layered dip. Sprinkle it
Potatoes
up.
are healthy and nutritious.
And for an extra buzz,
Especially
quick
raw.
tap of Pepsi. And there. And we're going to let this sit for up to 5 to 10 seconds, depending on how you like it. And we're done. A nice honey bun. It even comes in a nice plastic wrap.
That's quick frisbee here.
That's the word for it. Very good word. Very good, thank you. Let me just take it. Alright.
Commercial break. Okay. Alright, we're back with Cooking with Colby. Now, that's starting to boil. So we'll just throw a nice big hunk of snow in there. Make sure it's still steamy. Perfect. Now we're going to take the potato. And you're supposed to bite it first. I already did that. You can see it. Nice bite out of it. Alright. Take the potato. I'm going to cut it up.
Colby with Cooking does not sponsor reckless cutting. Cut safe. Keep your fingers.
Brought to you by Safe Cutting. Please cut safe. Always use 2 hands on a knife. Always wear gloves. Alright. Now I like to use the Gavin Kurtz method of cutting, which is random cutting. Cut wherever you want, like this.
Gavin Kurtz is a proud sponsor of Safe Cutting. Always cut safe.
Alright, let's take these potatoes and get in our base. Not this side here. Alright. Take some Pringles lids.
Random potato.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. We do know how to buy us dried potatoes in the show. We're going to whittle it down to a nice point. If I can get a sharp knife. We're going to whittle it in the fire, though, so it brings out that extra flavor. I'm afraid. Sorry, I thought I saw another potato. Alright, yeah, get some nice flavors in there. Oh, yeah. Hear that sizzle? Perfect. Exactly what we want. Now this is cooking with class.
No, this is cooking with Colby.
This is cooking with Colby. But if you want to see my new show, it's on Food Network, Thursday nights at 9 o'clock. It's called Cooking with Class. It's all about the best recipes you can buy. Yeah, this fire is hot. I am sweating my balls off. Oh yeah. Cut that potato. Oh yeah, look at that potato. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we're having some technical difficulties. And usually to cut the potato, usually to get a better cut, you have to scream like an angry Chinese man. Yeah! Look at that, perfect cut. Alright. And then you stab it and just... Hang on a sec. There's some technical difficulties. There you go. Oh boy. Drop it in. And this too. Alright. And we'll let that cook. Add a little bit of Pepsi to it. Pepsi makes everything taste better. Only a few drops though. Cooking with Colby is a proud sponsor of NFL football. Alright, take all these scraps, add them in there, and we'll stir it. You gotta get a nice consistent stir. Alright, Vic Farr from Cook It Quick with Dick. We have any more ingredients you want to share with me?
Yes, actually.
Oh, some nice Pringles. Make it nice and soggy.
I'm always a proud sponsor of Pringles, whatever their slogan is.
These are old, man. I got these from like the summer.
No, they're not.
They're probably not safe.
These are fresh ingredients
Yeah,
from the finest Pringles we stock. Aww.
There's Pringles everywhere. I prefer the taco Pringles. Now you go like this. Got a nice crunch. Oh yeah.
And ground ones.
Grind it up.
Oh, get that stirring. Oh,
Yeah, these are definitely from the summer, but it's okay.
That's because this show is filmed in August.
Obviously. And that's what it's called.
I was gonna eat those. Yeah.
Alright. What else do we need?
You better hurry. It's starting to cook real nice now.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to. Ooh, I didn't know we had a peeler. Oh yeah. This is a nice. This is just extra. This is a nice taco mix. We have to throw in there. You can be your own chef. This easy. Now we'll take the strainer. Excuse me, Dick. Let me strain it out.
Yeah.
Drop it on in the bowl.
Ew.
And then take a nice strain. Pop it back in there. Whoa, that's not safe.
Damn, I'm sweating my balls off over here. Look at this nice fire.
Cooking with Colby is also brought to you by always have a safe kitchen. Never throw anything. Or play hacky sack.
BP.
Or suck at hacky sack.
The oil spill wasn't all our fault.
It was the mammals.
Mexicans.
I mean,
It was in their goal. They should take better care of it.
Alright, well, let's add some more snow in there. You know, just a little bit. You don't want to get too go over the top into snow. Usually I try to find the nicest snow in the backyards of southern Connecticut. Best place to get snow. Yeah, don't ever go overboard with your snow. That ends up being bad. Don't water it down way too much. All right.
Don't be afraid. Get hands-on with the snow. Oh dear.
Empty bucket. That's just enough. And we'll let that cook.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
I always like brooming it. That usually, it makes more craters in the snow, making it easier to eat. Especially for old people. It's great for old people.
I don't like old people.
Oh boy.
Old people are our greatest asset.
Oh yeah, look at that slush. We get a nice slush mixer.
Just let me sample this. You know it's good.
Oh, that's a lot of steam. Now let's clean this off now.
As we saw, we're now opening our turkey back. Alright, I'll see you folks later.
Yeah, I'm now opening a new restaurant chain. It's called Goofy Bastards Restaurants. Yep.
GB Incorporated is a trademark
GB Incorporated. It's, if you ever want to buy, you just go on gb.com, www.gb.com, and you can just, buy a store. It'll be like McDonald's, but better. Actually, McDonald's is pretty good, but it'll be better, don't worry. You can sample some nice Canadian dishes like this. Oh, it's singeing my leg hairs.
What leg hairs?
Man, my phone is ringing. Alright, who cares about them? Alright. Please do not look at my phone, sir.
Always remember to answer calls from your mother.
No phone? I'm sick of you. Alright, back to normal. Not that classic to mine. I don't know about you, but I also like cardboard. Brings out some nice fiber.
And he missed the fire.
Well, you don't have to. Look at, wanna see Jesus' hands? Watch it, ready? Yeah, see that? Did you see that steam?
No. Still no. That's better.
Oh yeah, get a whiff of that. Nice steam.
Jesus' hands is a trademark of Colby's cooking.
Nice drink of that. Tastes like the best cookie I've ever eaten. Alright. And we're just about done here.
Colby likes some fine plastics. I only go with Gibson plastics. Name brand, and only the best for my cooking.
This is Dick's after show. Alright, well, these seem to be pretty much done. I wish I had some potatoes in here, but they're at the bottom. They just have flavoring. Alright, this concludes today's episode on Cooking with Colby. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time.
Wait.
Oh, Dick Barr has a special announcement.
Oh, great. Lovely. How about you have a bite, Colby?
Alright, I'll get right over there. Hang on.
In fact, let's share a bowl. Get some good plastic. Pringles. Yeah. Oh, there's a potato. Oh. We're gonna sit down over a bowl of this.
Salt.
To have a good New Year's.
Alright, I'm nice and full. Have a happy New Year. Thank you.